Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? This is your boy NFX Sniper. I hope you guys are doing great. I came back with a video which is most important, one of the most important videos, but a lot of people do it wrongly. Uh, I'm gonna show you how to mark your support and resistance levels today, right? In a correct way, like not just standard ways where you guys can see people just mark like this. This is the support, and you know, this is the resistance level. These are just normal standard ways people like been doing, like this support and resistance. It becomes support, and then after it break this support, it become resistance. It's not like this. It's not the right way to mark your support and resistance levels. And more of that, you can find those levels on every time frame. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you now, like, and what's the benefit of this, that as you guys saw my previous videos, one of my best indicator which I use with my strategy is this TDI to enter the trades. Okay, so you can get a confluence, or you can add this indicator on your chart and mark your levels, and you can get get around like the entry, like where to enter, where to exit, with the help of indicator. And the second confluence will be going to be your support and resistance levels as well. So okay, so where the support and resistance levels needs to be marked is from where the move has started, like not in the middle. Like for example, I'm gonna show you, and these these are the support levels or resistance levels which already made. Like you need to mark the levels before the candles reach the resistance or support. Okay, so I'm gonna show you now. So you need, or you always need to see where the move has started. Like this move started from here. Okay, it's still going on, and from here to the bottom it came down. Okay, so how are you gonna know like where to find support and sell the price and buy the price, like from where? It's not just your typical standard like support and resistance levels. Okay, I'm gonna show you now. The very first you guys can see here, this move. I'm gonna hold on, I need some markings so I can show you guys exactly. So you guys can see this level, the price came down, right? Came down and stopped here, here, right? So what I need you guys to do is get your rectangle tool and start marking these big wick candles. These big wick candles. Can you see these wicks? I'll show you. Okay, so these wicks, can you see? Just like I marked this level, these wicks, before even these moves, can you see this move came right in the support, like because I already marked this support level, this support and resistance levels, and then the price came here. Not even just forget here, like look at this. If we ignore this candle, like this green candle, okay, so see, I didn't know the price, where the price will go, but I will keep marking the levels. For example, I'm sorry I didn't have the replay option here, so I mark this level while the price is going down. Okay, and I also mark this level. I'm just marking the wicks of these big candles. Okay, and then this. Okay, so if you can see, if you go in the future, like the price straight shoot into these one of these levels. Okay, what people normally do, they start marking their support and resistance level here. Here it becomes their support level, and once this level is done, then the price moves. Like in the future, then they start marking these levels. But you need to mark these levels before the price moves, so you know from where the price will reverse, you know. So I marked 1, 2, 3, and this is also a wick, this is also a level. You mark this level, okay, and see the price came back into this level and rejected this area, came back in this level and rejected this area. You could have sold here. And there's one more indicator I use, it's called EMA. With the help of this EMA, you know where to how long you need to hold this trade. So you can see perfect example here. Even though it's selling, it came back right in this uh, right in this support level, the price. And with the EMA confluence, like EMA, it rejected from the EMA, and then you can target the same lows. So you get my point. And if you go in the future, just these wicks, these are your support and resistance levels. No one's gonna tell you this. I'm gonna tell you because I know I've been trading in for last 10 years, and I've been testing these levels, these wicks, 1, 2, 3, like where the move is started, like from the beginning of the move. Okay, so these wicks, these single wicks, are your support and resistance levels. Okay, so normally people, what they do is like, hold on, let me show you what people do is this. Oh, they see this support level, oh, resistance level, resistance level, they see these resistance levels. But no, this is not the exact way to mark your levels. Trust me, guys, this is not the exact way to mark your levels. Okay, and a lot of people lose money because of these levels, because they think it will reverse from here or here. Like, look at this level. This is the resistance levels. If you saw any kind of standard support and resistance level video, the price comes back here, people think it will sell, then people sell it here, and it ended up hitting their stop loss and they lose money. No, these are not the support and resistance levels. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the support and resistance levels from the buying candles. Like, this is the move, it gives, like, it's a bearish move with all the red candles. You know where to mark the support and resistance levels. Now I'm going to show you how to uh, mark these candles, the bullish move support and resistance levels. So you see this candle, okay, you just mark these for the future, and you can see the price is really reacting to these levels. Okay, so this level, and I don't see any level for now, and maybe this one, yeah, this can also be a level. Okay, so we'll see when the market opens, it can reject it from this area and go back to this area, and then it can shoot up. Or if it can just goes down and reject this area, it can shoot down. And these are the levels you need to look. Okay, and I need you to mark the big candles, not these small ones. Okay, the straight shooting big bullish candle wicks. So these are the support and resistance levels. These are main support and resistance levels. If you guys want to test this, you guys can test it. Like, you don't need to mark your support and resistance level in the middle of the consolidation. Just mark your levels from where the move has started, you know. You guys can go on any time frame and you can mark these levels, and in the future you can see the price is reacting exactly from those levels, not up, not like a little bit further, just right in center of these levels, because these wicks are important for the price, because these wicks, you can extend it here on the left hand side and you can see these levels. I'm just marking these wicks. These are the support and resistance levels, and I'm not joking. You guys can test it if you want. Okay, I can show you more. Can you see these wicks? See? And then this wick, and then this wick. It becomes automatically support and resistance levels, bro. I don't know, like, people not gonna show you this, but I'm telling you, this is how you need to mark your support and resistance levels. Okay, but this is just in the past. I'm showing you guys, like, but you guys get the idea. Like, if you want me to go on the higher time frame, I'll show you on the higher time frame as well, on the 4 hour, for example. See here, wicks, these wicks, only mark these wicks. Okay, this one, this one. Okay, and let me check more wicks. This wick, this wick, this wick, this wick. Oh, maybe I can extend this like this. See how beautiful it's rejected. This was a news candle, so you don't need to, the price can move up and down like very regressively, so you just need to check the real price action. Okay, these wicks, 1, 2, the support and resistance levels are everywhere, like almost everywhere. Like, you don't need to wait for hours for the price to reach your support and resistance levels. Maybe the price is already in your support and resistance level, but you need to have an eye for that. Like, you need to look exactly, like, where's your levels. So as you can see, I marked this level and price rejected this level, straight shoot back in our EMAs. If we have the level here as well, like this wick, I can see these wicks because I am used to it. It's very clear to me. But for new people, for beginner, it's a little bit hard maybe. See these wicks? If you go on a smaller time frame, you can see there's a sell here. You can see there's a sell here, sell, sell, and once it's rejected these areas, and see in the future when it comes back in these wicks areas with this become support, it rejected here, rejected here, rejected here again, and this candle as well. See consolidation happening here. You can sell here, you can buy from this EMA. This is 14 EMA, this candle. Okay, so these are the real support and resistance levels. Okay, I'm gonna go one more example. Okay, if you guys don't understand, you can reach out to me on Telegram, on my email. Like, what do I mean by that? Okay, so as we guys know, gold is going up from last few years. Okay, so what it's doing, it's leaving a lot of support and resistance levels. Okay, and I'll show you now. Okay, let's see. So can you see this wick? This wick. When you mark this wick, you can see in the future price rejected from this level. This is a news, guys. This is gold. I think it's because of the war. So don't consider red folder news. Like, okay, I'm totally telling you on behalf of price action, but sometimes news can also took support from these levels. Okay, so this week, this is also bullish candle. It just turned red, but you get the idea. You need to mark all these wicks where the price, where the move has started. All these wicks are important, guys. Okay, these wicks are not just randoms. These wicks are the important levels where the price will reverse. Okay, I'm sorry for the video for taking too long, but these are important levels. See, this small wick, who could have guessed that price will reject from this wick, from this wick? See, it's a sniper entry, guys. Like, can you see this? Price came down, rejected this level, and goes back up like 21,000 pips. Like, this is, I think, yeah, something like this. Crazy moves. Okay, so you get my point. Like, when the price moves like this, bullish or bearish, the first candle, like whichever the candle is making these big moves, you need to mark all those candles. Those are your support and resistance levels. Okay, so maybe in the future price will come in this level. Okay, comes in this level, it can come in this level. Okay, it can come in this level. So many support and resistance levels, like, you know, this level, this one. Okay, did the price reach it? Not yet. Let's check where the price is. Okay, the price rejected from here. Okay, from this area. This is very important, guys. Rejected from here, rejected from here as well. Okay, so if we go on the left, what do we see? Crazy price action, right? But you need to ignore this. You need to ignore all this consolidation. You need to see where the move has started. Let's go all the way left. You see these candles, just mark these candles. Boom. Okay, mark these candles. I can extend this, like, okay, these are two candles, so I extended this, and you guys can see it's rejected from here and it go all the way back up. Just mark this level, this candle, sorry, this wick. Mark this wick as well. It's crazy how easy it is. And if you go in the future, see, guys, can you see this? I am not joking, guys. This is real. This is so easy. No one knows about this. They just teach you random stuff. Okay, I'm teaching you guys real knowledge about support and resistance. These are real levels, guys. Look at this. I just marked this candle wick, and in the future it rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, and this small candle wick, no one is even gonna see this. I don't think if anyone had the eye, but I saw this. I retested it thousands of times. These are real support and resistance levels. It's going back up. Now if you see on the left, there's so many other wicks. 1, 2. Most of the time I just, what I do is mark these big wicks, because these big wicks are important. Most of the time price reject from here. See, rejection, rejection. Oh wow, look at this candle. It came all the way down, tap this level, and goes back up. And I can guarantee you guys, for 100% sure, it will reverse from here. The gold, this candle, it comes in here and goes back into selling from here to this level. Only this level. This is a daily time frame. It's 12,000 pips. Crazy, insane. I mean, Who else gonna teach you this stuff? No one. This is my own knowledge. Even I don't think even ICT told you guys this, or any support and resistance. These are the real support and resistance, guys. You guys can mark this on 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, everywhere. I can see them everywhere before even the price moves in the future on these levels. Trust me, guys, try it by yourself. And if you're not sure about the entry of these levels, that's these levels, the price will move from these levels. You guys can use my TDI indicator. You guys can see this is the resistance levels, right? And then look at the TDI. Sniper sniper point. Just mark this candle, and price goes up above this level, this horizontal ray. And you guys also see this is a support level or resistance level. Once you see this bearish candle, you sell it from here. The more stronger the support and resistance, the more stronger your chances are to get winning this trade. 15 this is on a 15-minute time frame. It can take like hours or days to get you this setup. What I normally do, I just mark my support and resistance levels on 5 minutes and trade on 1 minute. I'm a day trader. I just go in and out with my profits, and I do my stuff for the day. That's how you need to be doing for day trading. If you're a swing trader, then you can do long trades like weeklies, dailies. But yeah, that's how I do support and resistance levels, guys. If you guys learn anything, something new, if you guys get the idea what I'm saying, just like this video, give me a follow. Or if you're not sure about this concept, or you're not understanding what I'm saying, you can reach out to me on my social media or on email as well. So yeah, you guys can also join my Telegram channel. I will be sharing my analysis there, and I'm not selling you any course. I'm not selling you anything. Everything is free. I'm just sharing my knowledge. It's been too long I've been trading. I think it's the right time to get this knowledge out on YouTube, so people understand what real trading is. Okay, so yeah, you guys can follow me, give me a like and subscribe, so it can recommend it to other people as well. Okay, so a lot of people can correct their levels and trade safely and profitably. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.